Today, I'm gonna make a potato masala for dosa. So, I have here, I have put 2 tablespoons of oil, then half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then curry leaves, green chili, onion, and then saute this until the onion change color or translucent. Then the color has changed. Now we can put our tomato. Then cook for another 1 minute. Then see the tomato becomes soft now. But now we have to put salt. Just less than half teaspoon, guys. Less than half teaspoon. And then half of turmeric, half of red chili, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of garmasala. We have to mix all together. And then let's put also half teaspoon of cumin. Mix all together for another minute. See, as you can see, this cook. So now we can put our potato. Actually, I have boiled this and smashed. So this is 2 potato, guys. And then just very easy, guys. You just have to mix it all. You can have it along with your dosa. Now it's ready. Now it's cooked. Now we have to garnish with cilantro or coriander leaves. So now our potato masala or aloo masala is ready. This is along, you can eat it with dosa.